Hi, Charit.
Oh, you scared me.
Oh, ఏం చేస్తున్నావు నాన్న? What are you doing?
I am playing with my farm and the collection.
Oh,
Set.
can you show me?
Okay, first I will take you to the goats.
Okay.
Here are, yeah, goats. What they say? Hill.
You tell me.
Ma,
Yes.
ma. And I will show you. Wait, this goat is sleeping.
Why is it sleeping so?
It eated lots of food.
Oh,
And it fell asleep.
okay.
Now I'll take you to the donkey collection. Here's the donkey. Hee-haw, hee-haw. One is coming to you.
Oh,
Hee-haw.
which is your favorite donkey among them?
This and this and this and this.
You have to show me one donkey.
This and this and this and this.
Which is your favorite one?
This one.
Okay, and I like this one.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. I'll show you the cow collection.
You have so many cows. You have 2 colors of cows.
I'll tell you first. I'll tell you the brown cows.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Oh, you have a baby cow here.
Yeah,
It's so cute.
you can pet it. But not these. Can't pet them.
Why?
They horn horns.
Oh,
They will touch you.
oh,
If you call them, they come and touch you.
oh, I'm so scared.
Only call the cows, that's all.
Okay, fine.
Call the cows only.
It's okay. I'll call them later. Show me the other animals which you have.
Okay. I'll show you the sheep collection.
Okay.
And here are the sheep. And they say, ba, ba. And I'll show you the horse collection. Look, there they are. Oops, some horses are sleeping.
Why are they sleeping?
They eating lots of food too.
Oh,
Oh, that also eating lots of food.
okay.
Another goat horse.
Okay.
Okay. Now, look at that huge horses.
Okay.
And you don't see them?
Yeah, I can see them. Which is your favorite horse?
This one, and that one.
I like this one. This is so cute.
That's white. That's my favorite color.
Oh, that's my favorite too.
And I like brown and black too.
Okay. And that's it. And what are these? You didn't show me these animals.
These are dogs.
Oh,
Dogs.